Hello everyone, this is ICAO English. That means International Civil Aviation Organization, Standards for Aviation Communication. In this field, clear and accurate communication is essential, especially when transmitting numbers over the radio. Even minor pronunciation errors can result in misunderstandings. In this video, we'll go over the correct way to pronounce numbers, both in everyday English and according to radio phraseology. Let's start with the basic digits, from 0 to 9. In everyday life, we say them one way. But for radio communication, ICAO uses standardized pronunciation to reduce the chance of confusion. 0 pronounced zero, not O. The O is like in the word go. 1 pronounced one with clear and firm articulation. Avoid shortening it to 1. 2 pronounced two, like two. Don't let it sound like to or do. 3 becomes tree on the radio. This avoids confusion with free or similar sounding words. 4 pronounced power with a strong ending, like power. 5 becomes 5. The last sound is sharper and more distinct. 6, say 6, but clearly. Avoid letting it sound like 6 or 6. 7, just 7, pronounced plainly. Don't stretch it out to 7 or confuse with saving. 8, say 8, not 8. That's slang for okay. 9 becomes niner. To avoid confusion with 9, the German word for no. Now let's move on to two-digit and larger numbers, 10 to 90. Say each digit separately. 10 for 10, 20 for 20, 30 for 30, and so on. No slurring, pronounce them clearly. 100, not just 100, say the full form 100. 1000, again use the full form 1000. Avoid shortening it to just 1000, be precise. And remember, in 1000, the first vowel sound is similar to towel, and the S is pronounced like Z, as if it were zend, not like send or sand. This is a tricky one, so be careful. Let's quickly review the key points. First of all, use standard ICAO pronunciations for clarity. Secondly, avoid slang, abbreviations, or casual forms. Third, always pronounce each digit and number fully. And the last, remember special forms like tree, power, and niner. Here is an example of full radio transmission. Speedbird 259er, descend to flight level 80, contact London control 123.87. Each number is pronounced clearly and according to radio standards. Before we finish, here's a little joke to lighten the mood. Why are pilots always so calm? Because they know if they say repeat, no one will shout. Now you know the correct way to pronounce numbers in aviation communication, both for everyday use and during radio transmission. Thank you for watching. Stay clear, stay professional, and safe skies to you all.